In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize the touch mode settings in Microsoft Edge. Whether you're using a touchscreen device or prefer using a mouse and keyboard, these steps will help you adjust your browser's touch mode for an optimal browsing experience. Let's get started. First, you're going to want to open Microsoft Edge on your device. This might seem straightforward, but depending on your operating system, the way to do this may vary slightly. Typically, you'll find the Edge icon in your taskbar or in your Start menu, so you can go ahead and click on that. Once Microsoft Edge is open, direct your attention to the top right corner of the browser window. Up there, you'll notice 3 dots arranged vertically. Think of this as your gateway to more advanced options and settings within Edge. Go ahead and click on these 3 dots, which will cause a drop-down menu to appear. From the selections listed in this menu, you want to choose Settings. Clicking Settings opens up a new page that offers a multitude of customization options for Microsoft Edge. As you navigate this page, you'll observe that Edge provides a rich array of settings, all designed to enhance your browsing experience by tailoring it to your personal preferences. Now, if you take a look at the left side of the Settings page, you'll see several categories listed vertically. Among those categories, you're going to want to click on Appearance. This action will bring you to the portion of settings that mainly deals with the look and feel of your browser. It's a section filled with various options that allow you to modify how Edge presents itself to you visually. Once you're in the appearance settings, scroll down the page until you come across a section labeled Other Appearance Settings. Underneath this header, you'll find the option named Touch Mode. This is the pivotal setting we're focusing on today. To the right of Touch Mode Judaism, you'll notice a drop-down menu. Click this menu to reveal 3 choices for configuring touch mode: automatic, on, or off. Let's take a moment to explore these options. Selecting automatic means that Edge will detect whether your device supports touch input and adjust the touch mode accordingly. This is often the default setting because it automatically adapts to your device without requiring any further steps from you. If you choose on, touch mode will be enabled no matter if your device has a touchscreen or not. This setting can be particularly useful if you frequently alternate between touch and non-touch devices and desire a consistent interface. On the other hand, choosing off will disable touch mode entirely, letting you stick with a traditional mouse and keyboard setup. After you've made your choice from the drop-down menu, you're all set. This seemingly small adjustment can significantly enhance the way you interact with Microsoft Edge, making your browsing experience more comfortable and efficient based on your preferences. And there you go. You've now successfully customized the touch mode settings in Microsoft Edge. Remember, these settings are designed for your convenience, so feel free to revisit and tweak them as your needs change. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out our other videos for more tips and tricks to get the most out of your tech experience.